Hi guys, this person was just walked up to me and says, I'm fatter, and like, he's not. I'm on the top of the leaderboard, okay? And then he started trying to roast me, like, uglier, uglier, and then I said, uglier than the ugliest, and look, he can't even spell. He said I can't spell. I can spell better than him. Bruh. What? Did you're like, to LOL? First, before you say something, check your grammar. He's just trying to roast me. Look, he's hashtagging. Look. And I hashtag too because, but the thing wouldn't let me say it. And that doesn't mean I'm a 2-year-old. Bro today said, who? No. Okay guys, so this is weird. Like, he can't even say his grammar correctly, okay? He can't even say it correctly. You're not even in kindergarten. Yeah, I passed it many years ago. Okay, this guy, I'm gonna say sus. He's a little sus, and also something bad with him, okay? And also, I am not in school, lol. No. Guessing by her spelling. Like this dude, I don't know what his problem is. He just wants to go buy like Japanese baby or maybe like people like me and just like soft people. You see her first grade up? No. Like, he put a private chat because he just got so tired of me roasting him. Like, I don't know what this dude's problem. Like, guys, come add a like in the chat if he's literally trying to pick on people. I am not stupid. I'm not gonna let him pick on me. Come tell me if this ever happened to you. Wait, should I tell you recording? Maybe no. Okay, so let's just tell him. And also, like, literally, what the, well, hashtag, what? What does that mean to you? I was playing with Vivi, having fun, but then she left, so, probably because I was busy talking to this person, send her a message later. Like, I don't get it why people want to try to roast me, like, huh? Some people are just salty. You have salt for breakfast and it's toast, maybe. Or maybe consider that as lunch. Like, look, he just stopped talking. I don't know if he's typing some sort of long essay or if he just... Wait, is he even still on the the server. Okay, what is he in? He actually left the server, guys. He's actually that, like, roasted, bruh. He's just so embarrassed, I think. He's just so embarrassed he left. No, you can't even reconsider going back. Like, well, hashtag. He probably left because I said I was recording. Like, too bad I couldn't record the whole fight because he just started going up to me. Like, you're fat, you're ugly, I'm fatter than you. Also, I'm on the top of the leaderboard, so I'm not. Literally, he really needs to go back to first grade. Please, someone bring him back to the first grade, or at least elementary school. He can't even spell, and maybe he needs to be taught a lesson. Like, you shouldn't just be peeing on people. Like, that's so mean. Well, yeah, that was just weird. I've actually never had, well, I did have some interactions with online bullies, but thankfully, he didn't pick on somebody else. Hopefully not. But I just kept, this is how it started. So I was going to say, I'm fatter than you, and I saw this cat kept on going in my face. At first, I thought it was just somebody else calling me rude, but then I realized he said it right in front of me. And then I had to say something back, and he's like, so, wow, he actually just left me in embarrassment. He literally left me in embarrassment. And also, why do I look like a donut now? I look like those napkin rings, you know, the napkin ring thing? Or the napkin ring problem, or theory, or whatever it is. So, I kind of look like a donut. Oh my god, well, this game is called +1 fat every second. You guys can really play it, and you get to do all these challenges to get more fat. Wins, you can get pets by the shop. You can get gifts. Ooh, I missed a gift. So, I right now have 2 pets, and if you join our group, you get a pet. Unfortunately, when I joined it, I didn't get the pet, but Vivian got it. My son got it. So, I don't know, it's probably just me or my computer. But this game, some of like the challenge to get wins, they sometimes like resets your fat. Like, yeah, but some of them don't, but some do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be careful of these online bullies. And bullying is a bad option, guys. And like, yeah, because like, how would you feel if somebody bullied you and said, I'm fatter than you? Well, in real life, that would have been very stupid, but in this game, no, let's just fine. Anyway, so, you guys, make sure to, don't let these online bullies get to you because they're just jealous of you in a way. So, I will see you in my next video. Bye! I can't believe this lasted 8 minutes. I thought it would be like